I am back to share a creation that I created for Crescent Creations. It's this cute little guy, and I will leave a link down in the description bar to where you can purchase him in the Crescent Creations shop. Um, I did use quite a few carpet markers on this little guy, so I will leave all those listed in the description box below. And I also did go ahead and color him to save some time. I just cut out everything, so that way I could kind of chat and not have to think too hard. But anyway, I'm going to put this little guy together. I haven't decided on a sentiment for him yet. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do happy birthday, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do him yet with that. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to open this glue bottle. Usually I have one that has a cap on it, but this is just one I keep close to my desk. My other one is packed up. Okay, there we go. I do have the cute little caps that really are great for this, but this one I just particularly didn't. I hadn't put the cap on it yet. And of course, you may see my cat. She's very high maintenance and she likes to be on camera. Oh, I'm sorry. I made her squeak. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I'm just going to use some glue. Not a whole lot. Just kind of stick it on here. Good baby, don't make it squeak. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's look at the camera here. We have just recently moved, and I am still working on lighting and camera setups. I'm so used to our old house, so I actually had everything set up the way that it worked, and now I'm kind of working around with it. So I am currently working on that issue. I thought this little guy was so cute. Her stamps, her digis are so awesome because I mean they're like white on the inside, and you can do all kinds of things. You can make little scenes with them. They're so cute. I love this little guy. I think he's so stinking cute. And make sure that is straight. And I don't know if I should pop dot him or not. Maybe I will pop dot him. I love to pop dot. Oh, let's put one in the corner. I probably do too many, but all right. Okay, I added some glue here, just so that you do have time to move it if you need to. It helps to keep it a little wet just in case. There we go. And that is the little guy that I've created. Like I said, I'm still deciding on a sentiment. I'm not quite sure if I will do happy birthday or hello or I'm not sure yet, but I think he's really so stinking adorable. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description box so that if you like to purchase this cute little guy, you can. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by and taking a peek, and I will see you again soon.